Hello everyone, myself Anshita Reddy. We will studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering first semester Honda section, subject mathematics, topic radius of curvature of the polar curve. Introduction. How is curvature defined? The curvature measures how fast a curve is changing direction at a given point. There are several formulas for determining the curvature for a curve. The spatial arrangement from the vertex to the middle of the curvature is known as the radius of curvature, represented as r. Any circle radius, approximate radius at any point is called radius of curvature of that curve or the vector length of curvature. What is polar curve? A polar curve or the mathematical representation of a relationships between the points in the polar coordinate system in contrast to the Cartesian coordinate system which uses x and y coordinates. The polar coordination system describes the points in terms of distance r from the central point pole and an angle theta from the reference direction, usually the positive x-axis. The formula for the radius of curvature r is equals to 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power 3 by 2 divided by d square y divided by dx square. Radius of curvature in polar curves. Radius of curvature of a polar curve r is equals to f theta, where rho is equals to r square plus r1 square to the whole to the power of 3 by 2 divided by r 2 r1 to the power 2 plus r square minus r square r2, where r1 is equals to dr by d theta, r2 is equals to d square r divided by d theta square. Now let me go to the derivation of radius of curvature of a polar curve. First, we want to construct a diagram where we have r is equals to f theta be the equation of the polar curve and OP is equals to r be the radius vector and xi be the angle between radius vector and tangent at P P into r comma theta and xi be the angle between the tangent and initial point and where a be the fixed point on a curve. Let angle AP is equals to S. Xi is equals to theta plus phi. You consider it has an equation 1. Differentiate with respect to S. D xi by ds is equals to d theta divided by ds plus d phi by ds. D psi by ds is equals to d theta divided by ds plus d theta, where d theta divided by ds can be written as d theta divided d phi by d theta into d theta divided by ds, where d theta and d theta get cancelled. The overcome is d phi divided by ds is equals to d theta divided by ds 1 plus d theta divided d phi divided by d theta, where rho is equals to ds divided by d phi. Means where it reciprocal it became as a 1 divided by rho is equals to d psi is equals to ds. 1 divided by rho is equals to d theta divided by ds 1 plus d theta divided d phi by d theta. Consider it has a equation 2. We know that tan pi is equals to r tan pi is equals to r d theta divided by dr. Tan pi is equals to dr divided by dr divided by d theta. Dr divided by d theta is considered as r1. Tan pi is equals to r divided by r1 into u by v, where we can apply that rule. Differentiate with respect to theta. We can note the differentiation of tan pi is equals to secant square pi d pi divided by d theta is equals to r1 into r1 minus r2 into r divided by r1 square. 1 plus tan square pi into d pi d divided by d theta is equals to r1 square minus r into r2 divided by r1 square. Next, 1 plus r square divided by r1 square into d pi by d theta is equals to r1 square minus r into r2 divided by r1 square. Next step, r1 square plus r2 square divided by r1 square into d by d theta is equals to r1 square minus r into r 2 divided by r1 square. dy by d theta is equals to r1 square minus r into r2 divided by r1 square into r1 square divided by r1 square plus r square, where r1 square and r1 square get cancelled. d pi by d theta is equals to r1 square minus r into r2 divided by r1 square plus r2. Add 1 on both sides. 1 plus d pi by d theta is equals to 1 plus r1 square minus r2 square divided by r1 square plus r2. Next step, 1 plus d pi by d theta is equals to r1 square plus r square plus r1 square minus r into r2 divided by r1 square plus r2. R1 plus d pi by d theta is equals to r square plus 2 r1 square minus r into r2 divided by r1 square plus r2. We know that arc length formula ds divided by d theta is equals to r square plus dr by d theta whole square into the whole root is equals to r2 plus r1 square whole root, or we can written as r square plus r1 square whole to the power 1 by 2. d theta divided by ds is equals to 1 by r2 plus r1 whole to the power 1 by 2. Consider it has a equation 4 where 3 and 4 in equation 2. 1 by rho is equals to 1 by r square plus r1 square whole to the power 1 by 2 into r square plus 2 r1 square minus r into r square divided by r1 square plus r square. 1 by rho is equals to r square plus 2 r1 square minus r2 divided by r2 plus r1 square whole to the power 3 by 2, where rho is equals to r square plus r1 square whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by r to the power 2 plus 2 r1 square minus r into r2. Let me explain few examples of radius of curvature. Here, the question and answer. Show that rho for the curve r to the power n is equals to a to the power n cos n theta varies inversely as r to the power n minus 1, or find the radius of curvature. Apply log on both sides. N log r is equals to n log a plus log cos n theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. N 1 divided by r dr by d theta is equals to minus n sin n theta divided by cos n theta, where n and n get cancelled. Now the remaining part is 1 by r dr by d theta is equals to sin by cos is equals to tan. So it came minus tan n theta. R1 is equals to minus tan n theta, where we want to apply UV rule. Next step, differentiate with respect to theta, where r double differentiation, where r2 is equals to minus or cosecant square n theta into n plus r1 tan theta. And rho, we know that rho is equals to r square plus r1 square whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by r2 plus 2 r1 square minus r into r2. This is a radius of curvature formula. Next step, r2 is equals to minus n or secant square n minus r1 tan n theta. R2 is equals to minus n r secant square n theta minus of r tan n theta. That became, where minus into minus is became it as a plus, is equals to tan theta. R square is equals to minus n r secant square n theta plus r tan square n theta. Rho is equals to r square plus r to the power square plus r to the power square tan square n theta whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by r square plus 2 r square tan square n theta into r minus n r cosecant square n theta plus r to the power square n theta. Rho is equals to r square plus r square tan square n theta to the power whole 3 by 2 r square plus 2 r square tan to the power square tan to the power square n theta 3 by 2 divided by r square into 1 plus 2 tan square n theta plus n cosecant square n theta minus tan square n theta, where rho is equals to r to the power square whole to the, you want to simplify to the both, where r to the power square whole to the power 3 by 2 secant to the power 2 n theta whole to the power 3 by 2 square and 2 or get cancelled, and r square divided by r square 1 plus tan square n theta plus n square n theta, where rho is equals to, in the remaining part is r cube secant cube n theta divided by r square into secant square n theta plus n into secant square n theta, where r square and r cube get cancelled. The remaining is r into secant cube n theta divided by secant square n theta into 1 plus n. Secant square and secant cube and secant square get cancelled. The remaining part is rho is equals to r secant n theta divided by 1 plus n. Rho is equals to r divided by 1 plus n secant n theta. Consider the from equation 1 cos n theta is equals to r divided by a whole to the power n. 1 by cos n theta is equals to a divided by r to the power whole n. Is that simplifies into secant n theta is equals to reciprocal, that was a by r to the power n, where rho is equals to r by 1 plus n. A by r is whole to the power n, that implies r that multiplies into r into a to the power n divided by 1 plus n into r to the power n. Rho is equals to a to the power n divided by 1 plus n into r to the power n minus n. Thank you.